I really hope this is not copyrighted. Hi guys, I just made this whole video and I forgot to turn off this camera right here. Let's do it again. Hello my friends, Enrique here and welcome once more to one unboxing on this channel. My good friends at Maono sent me another thing to speak to you guys about it, to show you how it is and to make a full review about it. So let's check it out. This is the MAONOCASTER AU-AM200-S1, the starter bundle. Let's open it and check it out. I hope right now everything is recording. Do believe it is. So, the first thing right out of the box, the user manual for the included microphone. The console itself doesn't output any phantom power, and of course, the included microphone, it doesn't require any phantom power. One thing to think about it, if you want to use it with another type of microphone. The user manual for the console itself. And here is one letter to any customer of the MAONOCASTER Lite. I'm not going to read you guys all, but that you guys know that this product received an CES Innovation Award in 2021. Not too shabby. Here is the setup instructions, really fast setup. Okay. And home packaging, really good. I think it's going to come in one piece. Here is the console itself. As you can see, you have the microphone control, the music control. Let's take it out. Set the box aside. As you guys can see right here, you have the microphone control, the music control, because you can have different inputs into it, some echo knobs, monitor. I imagine this is to monitor the audio. You also have some controls of low, mid, highs, and to record the sound. Right here you have 8 different sounds that are already into the console, and here 4 of them that you can create yourself for any special effects or anything that you want to add into this. I don't know why they didn't choose that you could modify all of them, but anyway, let's try it out later on and to see what sounds are included. But here is the effects button, pitch, only music if you don't want to hear the sound of the microphone, the noise, we want to try this, see how it works. Loop back, that I believe this is to record the special effects that you can add here, and sidechain. What more is in here? Here are the inputs and outputs. As you can see, you can have 2 microphones, the headset, music input, the output, and 3 different POD outputs. And here is the USB Type-C. I do believe this is connected into your PC, and at the same time that you can charge the device, because this device also have an included battery on it, so you can use it on the go and you don't need to charge it always. You can even connect it, I do believe, to Bluetooth to your cell phone. You guys think it's some power on it? Try to turn it on. Oh, there it is. But for the moment, let's go on with the unboxing and let's check out what is more inside. Again guys, I already take out almost everything of the box before I realized that the camera wasn't working, so sorry about that, but anyway. Here is the wind protection for the microphone. 1 and 2 3.5mm jack cables. This small USB Type-C cable is to connect it to your cell phone, so when you're using the console with your cell phone, it's not going to drain power from your device. This is a Type A to Type C device, and this is for charging, of course, connected into your PC. And here is the microphone itself. It really reminds me a lot of the last microphone that I unboxed from Maono. You can see it right here. With the difference, of course, of the connector, and that this one doesn't have an gain knob, because, of course, you can control the volume with the console itself. This microphone uses an... Where is the cable? I leave it in the box. This microphone uses not a USB connector, and not a 3.5. It uses an XLR connector on the bottom of it, and it comes included with the cable to the 3.5mm jack to connect it to the console. Again guys, this microphone, it doesn't have and it doesn't require any phantom power, so we are going to test it out and to see how good is it. Let's set it aside and take again a look at the console. It's fairly lightweight, what is good if you want to use it as a portable device. Before we make the full review, let's do one small test. Let me bring my laptop right now here and we can check this out. So at least we can try it, a little bit of the sounds before we make the full review of it. Now that I have everything together with the MacBook and it's working finally, let's test it out. A small setup test. I'm not looking to change any knobs or anything like that. I want to set the volume a little bit higher. Hello my friends, Enrique here, and now testing this MAONOCASTER that they just sent me to make a unboxing and a review about it. Hello my friends, Enrique here, and now testing this MAONOCASTER that they just sent me to make a unboxing and a review about it. Whoa. It doesn't sound bad at all. It's surprising me. Let's try 1 second the special effects and we are going to wrap up this video. I really hope this is not copyrighted. After. Boing. Booing, not boing. Upward. Clapping. And cheering. Now that I hear them, they sound funny. They don't sound really bad for nothing at all. I like them. I think it can be really useful if you're live streaming. But anyway, guys, we don't have any more time for today. I just wanted to test it out really fast for you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you did, drop a like. And if you guys are new here and you're waiting to see the full review of it, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, my friends. Like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye.